Dashboard User Management. How to change access rights and add new users. If you're a dashboard super user, you'll have more capabilities in the dashboard platform than standard users. Most importantly, you'll be able to manage other users' access rights and set up new users. This will help you make the best use of dashboard across your organization without compromising on data privacy. To get started, head up to where you can see your account name displayed at the top right of the screen. Click on the drop-down menu and select User Management. This will take you to the User Management page, where you'll see a list of all dashboard users within your organization and whether they are a standard or super user. Managing user permissions. If you want to amend access rights for a user, simply click on their name. Their profile details will appear in a pop-up box for you to check and amend as required. Within the pop-up box, simply select the Account Access tab to see which accounts the user has access to and grant or revoke access to account or billing information. Be sure to click the blue Save button once your changes are complete. Adding new users. You can also create a new user on the main User Management page. To do this, simply click on the New User button to the right of your screen. A short form will appear for you to complete. When completing this form, the username will be the company email address for your new user. Please fill out all required fields and select which type of user they will be before clicking Save. You will then be shown a second form in which you can decide which accounts you would like your new user to have access to by ticking or unticking the boxes shown. Once again, remember to save any changes by clicking the blue Save button at the bottom of the screen. All new user details will be submitted to the customer service team, who will validate your request and add your additional user to your dashboard platform. Remember to tell your additional user that they will receive a welcome email containing a link and that the email can sometimes end up in spam or junk folders, so tell them to keep a lookout for it. Thanks for taking the time to get to know Dashboard. Our series of quick start videos should give you all the information you need to get to grips with its helpful features and functions. But if you have any questions, please get in touch. We're here to help.